A cardinal, yeah. Excuse me. Beautiful creature. Absolutely beautiful. Cardinal, Laurel County, Kentucky, December 8th or 9th, 2018. It's a Sunday. We just had a night storm overnight here, so power is out. So blessed to be getting this cardinal right now. Very blessed. Okay, little bird. I got you, so you have a blessed little life, little creature. Live long, healthy, and prosper well. Having a hard time stopping this. Crow's moving about. He's above me. He don't see me here on the porch. He'll see me when I move here in a minute, though. Yeah, I hear you. Alright, Mom's getting tired, so